Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fix a crack in the driveway. As you can see, this is a crack in a driveway, and this is actually an asphalt driveway, so this will be a simple tutorial for repairing a crack in an asphalt driveway. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. All that you're going to need is some filler right here. So you can see this is waterproof asphalt filler and sealant, and it comes in a wide variety of different looks. This is just one option. Some of them are like these sort of silicone type tubes, and others are like a bottle where you pour it out, but either way you're going to want to get something to fill it in and seal it properly. And if you get one of these tubes, then you're obviously also going to need a caulking gun just like this one, and you're going to need something to basically flatten it out. You can use a putty knife, or otherwise known as a drywall knife, or something like this, which is just an old trowel that I had lying around that I didn't really care if I got it dirty. But if you care about your tools that you're using, you're definitely going to want to clean it. I was honestly going to throw this out a while ago and I forgot that I had it, so I'm just going to use it. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, if you're using a tube like this, which I'm just going to assume that you are, you're going to want to go ahead and cut the tip off. As you can see right here, on this tool right here, there's actually something that you can use to just cut it off just like that. And then there's actually a piece that seals it inside of there. So what you're going to want to do is use this little piece on this tool to actually get that off. So I'm just going to use this to pull that off. It's just a little piece that you use to sort of put it in there, and you just get it right in there, and then you just push it down a few times, and when you pull it out, you can see that I did indeed open it up. Then you're going to want to get the tube, put it in place. I'm just going to pull this back. Okay, get the tube, put it in place just like that, and then you're going to want to push the lever right here to start getting the material out. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to do this slowly at the beginning, because if you just start pushing that lever and pumping it really quickly, it's all going to come, just spewing out. Obviously, you should be wearing gloves as well. I didn't wear gloves. I should have been wearing gloves. Started this project a little while ago, so I've been doing this for a couple of hours on the driveway. All right, so as you can see, there it is. Now what you want to do is you want to take this and you want to essentially just run it along that crack. So I'm just going to push that off to the side there so you can sort of start fresh. All right, so I'm going to just use this and we're going to run it along the crack just like this. So as you can see right here, we're just going to take this. You want to run a nice bead along the crack in the driveway, making sure to fill in the entire depth of it for the most part. And you want it to just go just slightly on top of the pre-existing driveway, just because when you run that putty knife or that trowel along it, that flat edge, you're going to want it to just seal onto the pre-existing driveway. So as you can see right here, we're almost done. When you get close to the end, you're going to want to stop pushing that lever, because it's going to still come out just like that. So you're going to want to finish off just like that. Okay, so I'm going to place that to the side. We are now going to take this right here, which this is the trowel, and on this it actually has a flat edge. You can really use anything that's metal or plastic that has a flat edge. And what you want to do is take this and just run it along the crack where you just sealed, just like this, nice and slowly. Just run it along the crack where you just sealed, just like that. And as you can see, it actually did exactly what I wanted it to do, which was just sort of go on to the edges of the pre-existing driveway right there. And then I also noticed that this was a deep hole and I didn't exactly fill it fully. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to just pump a little bit more of the material into there. And I wanted to just go a little bit more on the outside, so I'm just going to give it a little bit more material. Now, you don't have to do this. This is just because I have this whole tube left, and this is basically the only crack that's left. So I have all this extra material, so I'm just going to really make sure that I have enough. So I'm just going to smooth that out, and then one nice pass along there. And as you can see right there, now it really looks like it is pretty much 100% sealed. And you're going to want to read the instructions on the actual tube. Or the material, but usually as a rule of thumb, it requires about 24 hours to seal. So you're going to want to make sure that it is not supposed to rain within 24 hours, and definitely don't drive on it for 24 hours. Also, I did clean this driveway crack before starting the video. So I went ahead and I hosed it down, and then I made sure that it was dry, and then I used just sort of like a leaf blower tool to blow out all of the sand and all of the debris in there. And what that's going to do is that's going to ensure that you get the best possible stick for this, the best possible adhesion for your driveway crack filler. And that's basically it. It's really not that difficult to do. It's fairly simple. The more cracks that you have in your driveway, obviously the longer that it's going to take. And like I said, please remember to wear gloves. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.